Today we are going to discuss about precision full wave rectifier. Our aim is to design and verify precision full wave rectifier and determine its performance parameter. The apparatus required would be resistors, a 741 IC, diode, CRO, signal generator, dual power supply and connecting wires. The circuit diagram of your precision full wave rectifier looks like this. You have precision half wave rectifier and summing amplifier. So together you can combine, when you combine these two, you get your precision full wave rectifier. Your precision full wave rectifier can rectify minute voltage. So any voltage which is greater than 0 can be rectified with the help of your precision full wave rectifier. That is the major advantage of your precision full wave rectifier. Let us understand the circuit diagram of your precision full wave rectifier. So the input voltage is given to precision full wave rectifier circuit. So input, the sine wave input is given. So during positive half cycle, plus V in would come here. So plus V in would come to your inverting amplifier. This is your inverting amplifier and both are inverting amplifiers. So plus V in across your inverting amplifier. When plus V in is there, so this diode would be reverse biased. So the output of your inverting amplifier, you would get 180 degree phase shift and you would get inverted output. And because of this inverted output, this diode would be forward biased. So the voltage across this diode would be your inverted output. Since this is forward biased, the same output would be obtained across your terminal B. At the same time, the input voltage plus V in would come through this across your terminal A. So the output voltage of the summing amplifier would be minus of VA plus VB. Here the resistor RF is equal to 2 times of R1 and we consider R4, R5 and R6 to be equal. Okay, in that case, let us understand, keeping this in mind, the design perspective of your precision full wave rectifier. As we discussed, the voltage across this terminal B would be, since this is your inverting amplifier, the output of this would be minus of RF by R1 into VI. Since RF is equal to 2R1 here, when you substitute this, the output voltage V in VI is your plus V in, okay, because we are considering positive half cycle. So plus V in would come across your inverting amplifier and the output here, so we consider plus V in and RF is 2 times minus 2 times of R1 divided by the R1. So R1 cancels out and the the output voltage across your terminal B would be minus 2 times of VI. Okay, so minus 2 times of VI would come here and plus VI would come across your terminal A. So now we should analyze the output voltage of your summing amplifier. So the output of your summing amplifier would be, as we discussed, for summing amplifier it is minus of VA plus VB. Since this is your inverting amplifier, the output voltage can be written as minus R6 by R4 into VA plus minus R6 by R5 into VB. Okay, when you simplify this, you would obtain R6 by R4 into VI. Since we are considering R6 and R4 equal, so the output voltage is going to be a VI. And the waveform of your input voltage or voltage across your terminal A would be given in this in the sine wave would be given like this, and the voltage across your terminal B would be your inverted output. Okay, and sum of these two would be the output voltage of your summing or precision full wave rectifier. So as we discussed in the design, the output voltage is nothing but your input voltage during your positive half cycle. So similarly, same way you have to do it for your negative half cycle also. You would obtain it as plus V in. okay, even for your negative half cycle of your input. Okay, this is your design and some theory behind your precision full wave rectifier. When we do it practically, this is the circuit wherein this would be your half wave rectifier, precision half wave rectifier, and this is your summer, and supply plus or minus 15 volts is given, and function generator, through function generator sine wave input is given to your circuit, and with an amplitude of 1 volts peak to peak and frequency of 1 kilohertz, and the output voltage obtained from your precision full wave rectifier, this is your input voltage which is 1 volts peak to peak, and this is your output voltage, and this we have verified theoretically as well as practically. Thank you.